Hello, daydreamers! I am Sony and I'm here at Animal Kingdom with my husband. We're going to have some food, see a show, and go on some rides. And look at the Kilimanjaro line is all the way out here. Ooh, it's gonna be a long wait. Oh yeah, it says eat. So
It's not like John.
right here it says eat. Kusafiri Coffee Shop and Bakery. So we're gonna get some breakfast. Yeah, breakfast options. So we're gonna go for the egg and bacon croissant sandwich. So the breakfast sandwich was $9.57 after taxes. So here it is
Chicken and egg croissant.
with tater tots.
Potato barrels, they call it.
Potato barrels from Kusafiri. Hubby, you can dig in. How is it?
Yummy. I love croissants. Sounds good. Buttery, flaky.
And I will have a potato barrel. Tater tots. Morning. Nice and crunchy. I'll just have a bite of the sandwich and then the rest will be hubby's. Just to taste it.
Good, right?
So yeah, the croissant is nice and crispy. What is that, like tomato and onion sauce? It's pretty good. They serve breakfast up until 11 o'clock. So it's 11:30 and the wait times are long, so we're gonna check out the shows. What should we do? Festival of the Lion King or Finding Nemo? Nemo. Finding Nemo. All right, let's go. This theater is nice and big with plenty of bench-style seating. It is covered with air conditioning, so it's a great way to take a break or shelter from the rain while enjoying a nice show.
I'm Bruce.
I'm Dory, and this is...
You don't need to know we were leaving. I'd like to invite you morsels to little introduction! I'm doing a little taste. Wanna get a voice. Screaming back to the drink. I need some food! Look, that's the mask that I took my son. One of these markings. Back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free. Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find him.
Yeah, but there was one big problem.
The mask. I can't believe it's gone. That mask was the only chance I had of finding my son.
Harpo?
Nemo. Talking to P-Shop now. We're talking to lady.
Fellas, he lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
And you know how to P-Shop at 42 Walton Way, Sydney?
Sydney? But let us see how sport does fly it so. It's over. Nemo's gone. couldn't.
That was a nice Nemo show. It's about 25 minutes long. It's nice and air conditioned, and you can eat and drink in there. Check out Mount Everest. This coaster is so fun, but it's a 75-minute wait right now. And today I actually just want to go on the safari, which is the same wait time, so I can see the baby giraffe. But let's take a look at it. If you like this video so far, please like and subscribe. And check out my previous video, where you can see the full video of Gorilla Falls, the Maharajah Jungle Trek, and the safari ride. Get your character to them. Face only 25 in person. We ate at the Flame Tree Barbecue and did our review. Feel free to go on and check that video out too. Excuse me, sir. Are you ready to go?
Why you talk like that?
So beautiful every time we come by here. Bang on the drums. Nice waterfall. Amazing. That's Satuli Canteen. Pongu Pongu right here. We're gonna get another refreshment because that slushy, that mango slushy we had was so refreshing. Night Blossom. Night Blossom is non-alcoholic, layers of apple and desert pure limeade, topped with boba balls. Oh, we got our drink. The Night Blossom. I love it because it's nice and sour. I don't know, probably won't like it too much. We are heading on to Flight of Passage. It is a 75-minute wait right now. Beautiful here. Beautiful around this queue. I mean, like we're in a different world. Look at these statues. Look at this view. So look at that. We are up higher, get a closer look of the floating bridge. What do you think of it?
Sour for me.
Too sour. They have bathrooms here. On rides with long wait times, I have seen people play the heads up game to pass time, or watch videos. You can watch a movie or even read a book. These are just some great ideas so the wait doesn't seem too long.
Banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. In fact, the Na'vi have been riding on the backs of banshees since their earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. You've all been matched with avatars.
To the Na'vi, connecting to an Ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya.
When you follow our technician into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on now.
What an incredible ride! I love that ride. It's been a while since we've been on it. Waited about 50 minutes instead of 75. Look at this view here, so gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. We had a great day. I'm glad you joined us. Hope you have a lovely day. Better yet, have a sunny day. Bye. Can you hear the sounds of the creatures? They're in there. Hidden. We need to start wearing hats now. Protect us from the sun. I had to show these ears. Look at how pretty.